Hi everyone, it's Kylie here again. Welcome to another series in our Kylie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make oat milk. So oat milk has become very popular these days, but you never see any oat milk that is gluten-free, even over in overseas countries. I haven't seen any branded. So I thought that I might just run through quickly with you how to make oat milk, because it's super easy, takes no time at all. So I've just pre-prepared some oats. Now I like to use the quick oats to make the oat milk just because it's broken down a little bit more. Now I just put the quick oats and a cup of water and 1 date is in here, and I just left it for a few minutes just to soften up so it blends a bit faster. But you actually don't have to do that in the process. Now 1 cup of your quick oats to 4 cups of water, and remember we already had 1 cup in there. Now I'm going to chuck it into my blender. You can use a Thermomix, you can use NutriBullet. So if you have a smaller blender, just do your calculations and maybe do half a cup of oats to 2 cups of water. So it's fairly simple. Okay, so I'm going to blend this up to about 20 to 30 seconds. I don't want to over blend it because I'm trying to avoid the oat milk going slimy. So that's one of the problems that you can get making your oat milk. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, welcome back. So I spared you all that noise. Now in the blender, we have the beautiful milk mixed up with your date. Now, you don't have to use a date in there, but I just actually like and prefer using a date just because when I use the oat milk in my coffee, it gives it a little bit of a sweet flavor in there. So, and it's beautiful and creamy. You might be able to see that. So, I'm just pouring it through these nut bags. Now we've just found these. These are on our website and you can buy these singly or you can buy them in an oat milk making kit that we have put together, and that's with the oat milk bag and this beautiful quick oats. And you will also see that there's a lovely glass jar in there as well. So that's beautiful for storing your oats. At the time that we've done this video though, we're just waiting for the glass jar to arrive. So in the meantime, get all that beautiful milk. So you can see here in the what's happening down here. You need a bit of a wide jar because it's a bit of a messy thing, as you can see here. But essentially you'll see it goes right down to just about nothing. Like I put a cup of oats into that jar and there's barely a handful of the fibre left. Now one of the things you can do with this fibre is I just give it to my chooks because I have chooks, but I have actually cubed it into some ice cubes, and then I've dropped an ice cube into my smoothie because that's all the beautiful fibre that's in there. So anyway, that's just a trick. You can do that or not do that, but I just kept them in my freezer, so when I made the smoothie, I just popped them straight in. So I'm just going to use this jar for the moment to store my beautiful oat milk while I wait for our jars to arrive. So there you go. You have a beautiful 1 cup of oats, 4 cups of water and a date, and you have some beautiful oat milk. Now that'll last in the fridge for around about 4 days. So it's pretty good actually. So, and then you can just make yourself another batch. Okay, thanks everybody for watching. Bye.